Get ready for the ultimate adventure as you dive into a world where farm animals, sea creatures, and insects come together in an exciting sandbox journey. In The Amazing Adventure, farm animals, sea creatures, and insects unite. Kids will explore 3 incredible worlds full of surprises, challenges, and fun. Start your adventure on the bustling farm, where you'll meet friendly animals like cows, chickens, and sheep. Help them with their daily tasks, such as feeding, herding, and caring for the crops. Caterpillars are the larval stage of insects in the order Lepidoptera, which includes butterflies and moths. After hatching from eggs, caterpillars begin their life cycle as voracious eaters, consuming large quantities of plant material. Starfish exhibit radial symmetry, meaning their body parts are arranged around a central axis. This allows them to move in any direction and helps them efficiently search for food and navigate their environment. Starfish have hundreds of tiny, tube-like feet. Rabbits belong to the order Lagomorpha, not rodents. They are in the family Leporidae, which includes hares, and are more closely related to pikas than to rodents. Rabbits have long ears that can grow up to 4 inches, 10 centimeters in length. Mantises are famous for their praying stance, where they hold their forearms in a position resembling prayer. These forearms are equipped with sharp spines and are used to quickly capture prey. They strike with incredible speed, often in less than a second.
Geese are well known for their long-distance migrations. They typically fly south for the winter and return north for the summer, traveling thousands of miles. Some species, like the Canada goose, migrate between North America and Central or South America. Geese are known for their strong family bonds.
Clownfish are most famous for their striking orange, black, and white coloring. The coloration serves as a form of protection, helping them blend in with the brightly colored sea anemones in which they live. Clownfish are immune to the stings of the sea anemone's tentacles, thanks to a layer of mucus on their skin.
Horses were domesticated over 5,000 years ago, originally in the steppes of Central Asia. They were used for transportation, farming, and as companions. Horses communicate through body language, facial expressions, vocalizations, neighs, whinnies, snorts, and ear positions.
Spiders are arachnids, not insects. Unlike insects, which have 6 legs, spiders have 8 legs. This is one of the main characteristics that distinguishes them. Most spiders are nocturnal, meaning they hunt and are most active at night. Penguins are birds, but unlike most birds, they cannot fly. Instead, they are excellent swimmers. Their wings have evolved into flippers, which help them propel through the water at high speeds. Most penguin species live in the southern hemisphere,
Goats are known for their curious nature. They are highly intelligent animals and are capable of learning tasks, solving problems, and even navigating complex environments. They can be trained to follow commands, walk on a leash, and perform tricks. Wolves live in packs, which are usually family groups. A pack typically consists of a breeding pair, the alpha male and female, their offspring, and sometimes other unrelated wolves. Packs work together to hunt and raise young.
Crabs have a hard protective outer shell called a carapace, made of chitin, which helps shield them from predators and environmental threats. This exoskeleton must be molted, shed, as they grow. Crabs are known for their distinctive sideways walk.
Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, capable of reaching speeds of up to 60 to 70 miles per hour, 97 to 113 kilometers per hour, in short bursts, usually around 20 to 30 seconds. This incredible speed allows them to catch prey in open grasslands.
Bees are crucial for pollination, responsible for fertilizing over 75% of the world's flowering plants and about 35% of the crops we eat, including fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Bees buzz by rapidly beating their wings.
Most bears are omnivores, eating plants, fruits, nuts, insects, fish, and small animals. Exceptions include the polar bear, which is mostly carnivorous, and the giant panda, which primarily eats bamboo. Many bears are strong swimmers and climbers. Polar bears can swim for miles in icy waters, while black bears are adept climbers.
Scorpions are among the oldest animals on Earth, having existed for over 400 million years, even before dinosaurs roamed the planet. Scorpions fluoresce under ultraviolet, UV, light, such as from a blacklight, due to a substance in their exoskeleton.
White tigers are not a distinct species, but a rare color variant of Bengal tigers. Their white coat is due to a genetic condition called leucism, caused by a recessive gene. White tigers have a striking white coat with black or dark brown stripes, blue eyes, and a pink nose. They lack the orange pigmentation of typical Bengal tigers.
Green iguanas are among the largest lizards in the world. They can grow up to 5 to 6 feet, 1.5 to 1.8 meters in length, including their tail, which can make up around 2/3 of their total body length. Green iguanas are primarily herbivores, feeding on a diet of leaves, flowers, fruit, and vegetation. They are known for their love of leafy greens, such as lettuce, collard greens, and hibiscus flowers. Sharks have existed for over 400 million years, even before trees evolved. They were here before dinosaurs and have survived several mass extinctions. Sharks have highly developed senses, especially their sense of smell. They can detect blood in the water from miles away, up to 1 part per 10 billion. Sharks have specialized organs called ampullae of Lorenzini, which allow them to detect electrical fields in the water, helping them locate prey even if it's hidden or camouflaged. Lions are known for their powerful roars, which can be heard up to 5 miles, 8 kilometers away. The roar is a form of communication that can mark territory or signal strength. Lions are the largest of the African big cats, with males weighing between 330 and 550 pounds, 150 to 250 kilograms, while females are smaller, weighing between 260 and 400 pounds, 120 to 180 kilograms. Take a deep dive into the ocean's blue depths and swim alongside amazing sea creatures. Meet playful dolphins, majestic whales, and colorful fish in vibrant coral reefs. Discover sunken ships, treasure chests, and hidden underwater caves filled with secrets while learning about the wonders of marine life.